Hey guys, what's up? This is Akash again. In today's video, we'll be talking about what are stockbrokers, what are the types of stockbrokers, and how do they function. So what are stockbrokers? If you have seen the previous videos, you'll probably know that stock exchange is where a person can buy and sell shares. So it's not practical for everyone to actually go to the stock exchange and buy and sell shares. Instead, there's an intermediate guy who happens to be the stockbroker. So the public can just approach the stockbroker who will go and buy or sell equities or stocks or whatever you want in the stock exchanges. So earlier this was done in person. A stockbroker had to go to an exchange and buy and sell stocks. But now it's all done digital. It's all done online. Nowadays, a stockbroker provides an online charting platform where the public, that's the general people, that's us, we can look into the charts, we can see what all stocks are traded and how much the price is, and we can directly buy and sell from these platforms itself. Now, there are mainly three types of brokers. There is full service brokers, sub brokers, and discount brokers. Number one is full service brokers. Now, as the name suggests, these brokers does everything for you from end to end. They provide services like financial planning, managing portfolios, and wealth management services. Now, these type of brokers are actually pretty expensive compared to other brokers. That's because they charge you for financial advice and wealth management services. The next type is discount brokers. Now, these guys offer you a platform where you can buy and sell stocks or any assets at a very discounted price. Compared to other brokers, their commission is pretty low because they do not provide you with any investment advice. But on the other hand, if you're an investor or a trader, you would definitely prefer discount brokers. The third one is sub-brokers. So sub-brokers basically act on behalf of a trading member of the exchange. Trading member of the exchange is nothing but a broker. So a sub-broker can act on behalf of a broker and carry out client transactions for them. So now on, we'll be referring to discount brokers as brokers in this particular video. This is because as a trader or an investor, you should only be using discount brokers. So why stockbrokers? Not everyone can actually go to a stock exchange and buy and sell or execute orders. You have to be a registered participant of the stock exchange. That's why for the public to connect to the stock exchange, we need to have this intermediate, which is the stockbrokers. They offer you an online platform where you can execute your orders, a Demat account or a trading account, your performance analysis tools, and even technical tools to help you trade better. Other than this, a good discount broker platform will offer you services to help you backtest your strategies and implement new strategies, to get into algorithmic trading, to invest into different asset classes like corporate bonds, government security bonds, equity funds, debt funds, etc. They even give you the option to trade in multiple segments of the market like equity futures, futures and options, commodities, and even forex. Brokerage is how much a stockbroker would charge you for getting your order executed. Now, different brokers usually charge different prices for this. Now, the discount brokers charge the least. If you check the brokerage for banking firms like HDFC Demat or ICICI Demat or whatever other banking Demat accounts that you find, they usually charge a much higher rate. They usually charge around 0.10% or 20 rupees, whichever is higher. When you compare this to discount brokers, they usually charge around 0.03% or 20 rupees, whichever is lower, which makes a big significant difference when you are actually trading. Always prefer discount brokers because they always charge the least brokerage there is. The best discount brokers that I would recommend are Zerodha, Angel Broking, 5paisa, and Upstocks. All of the other brokers usually charge a much higher price. So if you're an active investor or a trader in the market, then it's always preferable for you to pay the least amount of brokerage. So I would suggest that you guys open an account with one of these brokers if you are going to become an active trader or investor in the market. Even amongst these discount brokers, different brokers actually offer different leverages and different benefits also. So you have to do your research, pick out which broker suits your style of trading or investing, and go for the one which you're most comfortable with. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found it informative. If you actually like the content, give us a like. And if you actually like the content that we're sharing, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.